So today I am going to start the new Python series, and in this series we are going to learn about the basic arithmetic, and we're going to see something about uh, we are going to see something about variables, and we are going to also see about basic data types, and we'll see lists, tuples, dictionaries and sets. And I guess in the next videos we will see NumPy array, pandas data frame, and how to read and write the data from Excel sheet or your CSV file format. And we are going in section 3, we are going to see about control flows, functions, list comprehensions, and in section 4 we're going to learn about data exploration and cleaning, where we work with the text data, preparing numeric data, dealing with the dates, merging data, frequency tables, and we will also learn about plotting with the help of pandas. So at the section 5 we are going to see about the basic statistics, and in section 6 we are going to see about inferential statistics, and in 7 we will do the predictive modeling, and we will conclude our lesson. So without doing any delay, let's begin from our Python arithmetic chapter. So in Python arithmetic, what you have learned in your high school or in your primary school classes to add or subtract the two numbers. We are going to see these things over here. This is going to be too simple, it may be boring for you, but this is basic, so I need to cover it. So we'll quickly cover all these things and move into more complex concepts or challenges. Okay, let's begin our code from by just adding 10 plus 5. We need to do shift plus enter in the Jupyter notebook to run this cell, right? This is known as cell in this Jupyter notebook. So plus will do the addition over here for making this code more visually attractive. So I'll add some spaces between 10 and plus and 5, so the answer will be 15. And in the next, this is the way how we do addition, and this is the way how this subtraction is done. So without delay I need to move forward. So multiplication is given by 10 into 5. So this is how we will do multiplication in Python. That's too simple. And we need to do for division, we'll use this slash for division. 16 divided by 3 will give 5.33. So now this is more interesting. This is known as floor division, right? Let me add the cell over here, over down. So let me make up to look here, it has gone to markdown, right? Now I'll write this, I'll write some text. Now use double slash for floor division, around decimal reminders down. So in this same example what we have done above, if we do the floor division of 3, then it will give you 5, right? It will round it down. So if we do 17 divided by 3 also, 17, you will do floor division 3, then it will still be 5, right? If we do 18 divided by 3, then it will move up, that is 6. It will be 6. So, and for exponentiation, we'll use we will use, oh, let me do this thing as this thing, and floor division, not this one. Sorry for the mistake. This is not the operations. This was this operation, so we did this, and we need to use it for exponentiation. So we'll use a double star for exponentiation. So we'll use double multiplication, right? So this is double star for exponentiation. So we want to raise 10 to the power of 3. Then we'll do like this. This will be 1000. So I'll write some mathematical expression. So mathematical expression, and you need to tell me what will be the answer of that expression, right? 2 plus 3 into 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 2. I want you to tell me what will be the answer of this expression. I will give you 1 minute to solve this, okay? So over here, what will be this expression is that it will first raise this power. This will be 25, right? And this will multiply 3 into 25 is 75. Then it will add with 2. So that will be this thing. So, but to avoid any confusion regarding this mathematical expression, we will generally use what we known as parenthesis, right? Now I use the parenthesis to remove any ambiguity while computing mathematical expression. So let's try to do the same thing. So here we have just done 2 plus, not the same thing, we'll change the expression. 2 plus 3 into 5, and that will be raised to the power of 2, and this will give you, and here you can clearly see that 2 plus 3 will be executed first, then it will raise to the power of 5, right? 5 raised to the 5 into 5, that's 25, and it will be raised to the power of 2, that is 625. The ultimate answer should be 625. This has, after we, anything we write after this has will be regarded as comment, so this will not be executed as a code in Python. Now to move from this, now we have this library known as math. to solve this math problem and to import this library. Let's make our heading first. Importing math module. We'll import the math module, right? How to import the math module? How to import any library? We'll write in the keyword import, and we'll write math. This will load the math module. Now we can use the functions in this module, right? If we import some function, then we can use the functions that are present in this module. So let's do it. Now let's take the natural logarithm. Natural logarithm by math. We need to give the model name. That log is the function that is present in that, and we are taking the natural logarithm of 2.7182, and it will give you 0.9986. And if you want to mention the base of these also, then we can do like this, right? Log. Now we'll provide the same number for the 7182, and we'll provide the base 10. Then the answer will be this thing, right? Natural logarithm means, I think that base is e. Let's provide the base e. E. What it will give something now. What is the value of e? Exponential, I guess 2.71 something, right? 2.71 something, I guess. That's nearly equal to 1. So this is natural logarithm, whose base is e, and if we provide the base 10, then the answer will be different. So let me give you some simple example. Math.log 100, 10 will give you, do you know the log of 100 to the base 10? That will be 2, right? That will be 2, and we can cross-check this with our simple mathematics knowledge that we have obtained from our elementary classes. So now if we want to find the square root, then we need to write this model name, that square root sqrt of 64. Then we will get it, right? Sqrt is used for this thing, and there is next thing known as absolute of minus 30. Anything that you provide, any negative number that you provide as an argument to absolute will give you positive, right? Any negative value you insert as an input, the output will be always positive number, right? Then minus 30 should give you 30. Now if you want the value of pi, math.pi, you will get the value of pi. If somebody knows the value of pi, I know up to only 2 to 3 digit, right? 3.14281415 something, right? 1415923, and it keeps going. Now we'll see about how to round the numbers. So let me go to markdown, then let me make the heading to rounding numbers. So let's discuss about the rounding number. To round the numbers, we'll use this round function to 233.234. In general, this will be round to 233, right? This will be rounded to 233. And if you want to round to only one decimal, then you need to do round 233.234 comma, if we provide a 1 as an argument, then it will give you 233.2, right? 233.2. So here is something interesting. So uh, let's write the comment: enter a negative number to round to left of the decimal. So if you want to round left of the decimal, then we need to do like this and give you the code first: 233 dot 234 comma, we need to round it to -1. This is -1 is known as tens place. Okay, this is ones and this is tens, this is 100 place, right? If you want to, this -1 says it will be round to the tens place, so this will be rounded, this will be rounded down to 0, so it needs to be 230. That's the case. And if we want to do method.floor, it will be convert to your lower integer value, right? It will not go to 3, but it will come down to 2. That's known as floor. And there is known as ceiling, it will go up, this must go up. If we write math and dot ceiling comma 2, then it will 2.8, same number, then it will go up to next integer, right? It will go to 3. That is our answer. So in this module we have seen the basic arithmetic that are involved in our data. This all are required in data sciences, so we will discuss about the next thing in our next lecture. So have a nice day for today. We'll discuss the rest remaining thing in our next video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel also. Okay.